Dancing and Memory Burning is featuring 4 phenomenal, internationally recognized choreographers. We love to showcase the artistry of our own faculty, and this year, the guest faculty member is Charli Brissey. And then we have Kyunghwa, who's coming from South Korea, and the guest artists are Ananya, Chatterjea, and Rosanna, Tavarez. Well, this is our marquee annual performance in the Power Center. It's our main stage performance. It features most of our dance majors from sophomore through graduate school. So it brings in a diverse group of students. The extraordinary and unique thing about dance is that it leaves space for the viewer to insert their own sort of narrative, their own history, their own questions, their own challenges. In each work, I think the audience will have a really unique experience.